sharing stories wild and free. From mountains high to seas so blue, we find the charm in something new. With every step we learn and grow, curiosities begin to flow. From one to all across the globe, our hearts are brightly colored. United in diversity, such beauty to behold. We uncover ancient tales and secrets to be told. From every corner of the earth we dance in harmony, celebrating life together in joyous unity. In melodies from distant lands, we find a rhythm crafted with hands. Through languages and customs bright, we see the world in a different light. We're painting with a myriad hue. Each story has a voice so true. From sunrise till the evening fades, in laughter shared our hearts prevail. United in diversity, such beauty to behold. We uncover ancient tales and secrets to be told. From every corner of the earth we dance in harmony, celebrating life together in joyous unity. Celebrating life together in joyous unity.